Hey YouTube family, welcome to another video from me. Why am I so extra? I don't know. Welcome to another video. Thank you guys so much for deciding to watch this video from me. If you like what you see, why not subscribe? And to all my old timers, thank you for continuing to come back and support my videos. I really appreciate it. So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna go digging in the trash. Basically, we're gonna do an empties video. In this video, we are going to quickly run through some products that I recently emptied, and I will tell you if it's a yes, buy again, or bye-bye, never again. I haven't done an empties video in a while. So before the products pile up too much and it becomes a really long video, I'm going to do one today because I need to get it done. First thing is, this is my everyday coconut face cream from Alafia. I've had this for a while. I finally finished it. It has served me well. I use it at night before I go to bed, put it on my face, wake up looking refreshed, looking really cute. This is definitely a yes, buy again. I like it. Would I buy it again? Not right now because I have other face creams upstairs where I keep my skincare stuff. I don't want to hoard, so this is a product that I could recommend that you guys try. This is the Natural Annie Essential Lemon and Vanilla Soy Candle. I can still smell it. Love anything from Natural Annie Essentials. I have quite a few of her products and I continue to support. I love her business, love her. This candle, loved it, would definitely recommend it. Scent is gorgeous. She's coming out with a new line for April, which is going to be like the island vibe theme, so much more refreshing summertime scents. I already have one of the new candles. I already have the island vibe scent, brand new one. Put that right there. But of course, definitely buy again. Would definitely recommend anything from Natural Annie Essentials, especially the candles. Love, yes, buy again. All these products from Dr. Locs. You see, I did a video where I reviewed these products. This is from the company Dr. Locs. They have hair products for locks that the claim is you can use all these products and they will not cause buildup in your locks. Did an entire review video if you want to watch it. See it, Essa? I put it right there for you. You can watch it, enjoy. Let's go through the products one by one. Would I yay, buy again, or buy never again? Let's see. So let's start with, let's go in order. The pre-cleanse. This is what you use before you actually shampoo your hair. It's supposed to help get rid of the dirt and the oils. I like this product, so I would say yes, buy again. I would not suggest use it all the time though because it is a very clarifying product. So yes, buy again. The shampoo, I liked it. It really cleaned my scalp. I would say if you want to use it occasionally to clean your scalp, yes, buy again because it will really clean your scalp. But I feel that if I use it in excess, it's going to dry out my hair because it just has such a cleaning properties to it. Leave-in conditioner, you can try it. It wasn't like the biggest thing for me after using it now. I can do without it, but it's cool. It's a, if you want to. It wasn't a big major thing for me. So this is, Then we have the Yaya oil. Love the oil. I absolutely love the scent of the Yaya oil. I would say definitely buy it again. Love the Yaya oil. And the lock-in spray. This made, if you retwist your locks, it made retwisting the locks faster. Gave it a great hold. But for me personally, I would recommend if someone wants to try it, you can buy it. But for me personally, I wouldn't purchase it again. Only because this compared to my natural aloe vera gel, I'd rather my aloe vera gel. It's just preference. I just prefer using my basic aloe vera gel to retwist my locks. So some products, yes, buy again. Some try them if you want. Some just not necessary. Next is a tea. This is the Yogi Stress Relief Tea. Tea was good. It was nice. I like to try the different Yogi teas. This one had a great taste to it. I mean, as far as relieving my stress, I didn't see much difference, but the tea was delicious. Next up, we have this toothpaste. This is the Himalayan Botanique toothpaste. This is the neem and pomegranate flavor. Right here. I love this toothpaste. I really loved it a lot. So I would say yes, definitely buy it again. This is a yes for me. Really love the toothpaste. This is the Moisture Love Seal with a Kiss finishing oil. I liked it. I would not purchase this oil again, only because, I don't know, it was nice. But it had a very sweet smell, which I liked at first, but then after a while I started not liking the sweet smell. So only because of the scent, like I go back and forth. Do I like the scent? Do I not like the scent? Do I not like the scent? So because of that, I wouldn't repurchase it. But it's a pretty cool oil. Next, this is a makeup product. It's a sample. I know it might not count, but it counts to me, okay? This is the Love & Co. Toffee Foundation sample. I did an entire review video on the Love & Co. Foundation. Leave it right there if you want to watch it. Enjoy. Used the entire sample, finished it up. I really loved it. So I would definitely say yes, this is a buy again. And this one is kind of cheating. It's finished, but it's not really finished. This is from Plain Jane Beauty. This is their Color Corrector Trio. It comes with 3 different shades. And as you can see, the shade Dahlia, I used it all the way. Like, I'm still trying to get my finger in the crevices sometimes to use it. But I wanted to feature this one because this is definitely a yes, run and buy again. I use color correction when I'm doing my makeup. Helps my face look more flawless all around, I feel. So I would definitely buy it again. However, I wouldn't buy the trio again because as you can see, I only used the one shade and the other ones were just not, you know, the perfect for my skin tone. So I would, yes, buy it again, but I'll buy the Dahlia by itself. I would not buy the trio. Just me personally. Now, if you want to try it, I would say get the trio so you know which color works for you. I think those are all my empties. I'm really trying to do the videos more consistently where the empties don't build up too much, but I think that was pretty good. I ran through it really fast. I know, I'm sorry, but you know, I'm not trying to hold you all here for like 10, 15, 20, 30, 40 minutes. Yeah, I know you might love me and all, but you know, I know you got things to do. Well, I got things to do, that's why I'm rushing. But anyway, hope you enjoyed this empties video. That is all. I don't have anything else to say. Any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a good day. Bye.